Hey guys, wanna know how to add multicolor or use multicolor to your images in BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. This should direct you to its official website. Now, once you're on the dashboard, simply click on Graphic Designer. And once you're there, this window should pop up. You can import any image that you like. Now on the left side, go to this shape-like icon right here. These are the graphics. Now select Source Graphics, and there are various options that you like. Outline, Solid, Multicolor. But since we are going for multicolor, simply click on it. Now, in order to import this to your image or to your file, you simply select the ones that you like. And then close the window, and under your graphics, you can see the images or the graphics that is selecting. So simply double click to add it to your frame, or you can just drag and drop it. Now you can also change its color, like maybe adjust it or do whatever you like from it. And once you're done, just simply click on save right here and save it wherever you like. Now that's it. It's super simple and as easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.